Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about the question greatest common divisor of strings. Okay, without any further delay, let's get into the question. Okay, for two strings S and T, we say T divides S if and only if S is equal to T plus T, T plus T. Okay, T is concatenated with itself one or more times. Given two strings, string 1 and string 2, return the largest string x such that x divides both string 1 and string 2. Uh, Here is one common term is used in this question. T divides S. Itself indicates it will be if T concatenates by T plus T plus T plus and it is equal to the greater string S. We need to return the common part which is in both the strings. Okay, I will I will explain it clearly through these examples. Here is the input string 1 ABC, ABC, string 2 ABC. And by looking these two examples, we can say ABC is the common part in both the strings and we are just returning the ABC. Let us consider example 2. Input string 1 is equal to AB, 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 string 2 is equal to AB, AB. And here is the common part is AB. You can say AB, AB is also common part, but here we are going to return the largest string that divides both AB and both a string 1 and string 2. So we are considering AB is the common string which divides both AB and AB, 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 AB. That is string 1 and string 2. And here third example, lead code. Lead string 1 is equal to lead, string 2 is equal to code. Both are different. So we will simply return the empty string as an output. Okay, let's get into the code now. Uh, we can just simply observe if you concatenate these two strings, or else if you concatenate string 1 and string 2 or string 2 and string 1, it simply we need to be equal, or else it may return the empty string. Just by using this third example, we can conclude that. Okay, first string 1 str1 plus str2 not equal to str2 str1. Is it return empty string? Okay, let's run once again. Let's run it. So after running this, and we are getting this wrong answer for case 1 and case 2, because string 1 and string 2 both are equal in case 1, case 2, and case 3 we are getting the right answer. So uh, I am explaining the GCD concept now. I am using GCD one. Okay, I am importing GCD. I will explain what is the use of GCD now. For math, import GCD. GCD is a greatest common divisor. For example, if GCD of 3 comma 6 is equal to greatest common divisor of 3 comma 6 is equal to 3, because we need to consider the common divisor in both the strings which is minimum. In this case we have AB, 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 AB. Length of string 1 is equal to 6, length of string 2 is equal to 4. So let us consider 4 comma 6. What is the common divisor of 4 comma 6? Greatest common divisor of 4 comma 6, which is equal to 2. So it simply returns the length of 2, and we simply returns the string 1 of 2, which is equal to the output of AB. So now I'm going to write the final output. Observe carefully. String 1, string. Okay, GCD of length of string 1, length of string 2. I think we have created this step. I will explain once again. See here, I have just taken the string 1 and simply returning the from where to where by using the GCD concept. GCD of length of string 1 comma length of string 2 just returns to the greatest common divisor of both the strings. So I will run it. You will know how it works. I'm getting a runtime error. I have just used the return outside of the function. Make sure you need to use return inside of the function. Okay, once again I will run it. These mistakes could happen while coding. It makes you better. Yeah, it is taking some time. Yeah, we got the output and output is accepted. Case 1, case 2, case 3. Now I'm gonna submit the code. Let us see if it works or not. It is one of the problem in Leetcode-1071. Yeah, boom. We'll get the details. It builds 39.32% of runtime, 39 seconds, and memory 81.91%. Yeah, here is the code. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. Hope you have understood the code and you have understood the logic behind this question, greatest common divisor of strings. And keep watching. Subscribe for more. Thank you, guys.